Oh, what's up guys? Today we're with another quick Xcode YouTube video, which actually won't be quick, it'll just be a video. I don't really know what I'm talking about, don't ask any questions. I'm kind of hungry too. Anyway, back to the video. Oh wait, what were we talking about? Oh yeah, Xcode. Hold on a minute. Here we go. Yeah, so we're going to be learning about Xcode, obviously. Let's create a new project, shall we? This project is going to be about creating it's going to be a multi-paged application. Let's name it Page. Yes. Alrighty. That's where we want it. Don't worry about this down here. You don't need that right now. Blah 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 blah. Wait a minute. My computer's slow. Oh no! Okay. So what we're gonna do here is create pretty much a button. And that when you press it, it goes to a second page. Now it sounds pretty plain. It is. It is pretty plain. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the library up here on the top right. You're gonna click and drag the view controller in here, just like so. Don't worry about any of this stuff. Perfect. Now we're gonna add a button. Those cookies, they get me sometimes. Alright, there's your button. Double click on it. As you can see, I failed to do that. Then type simply next. Not that hard, very easy. There's your button. Let's create another button. Bring it right here. It's messing up on me. This button will be called back. Now double click on it, and then you can just press backspace and it'll delete the words, and then you can type in back. That simple. Let's line this one up with the bottom. Perfect. Now then, that's a pretty saggy size right there, so let's go ahead and size it. We'll go to the arrow right up here on the top right that's blue pointing down. Next, let's go to text color. I kind of not like that color. Let's do, well, we'll just stick with white. We'll go we'll do the same for the next button. I mean the black button. The back button. The back button. We'll turn it white. Just like so. Now there's no buttons. Well, there's a button that's supposed to be white. Just white. Yeah, now you can't see it. Now you have invisible buttons. So let's click on the background, the white background. Staying under the blue arrow, let's go back to background under here on custom. Let's turn it to gray. Yep, and then now your button's visible. Let's turn the white color back to gray. Perfect, now you have next and back. Well, let's go ahead and add in a label, just for fun. You don't have to. I'm just doing this because I have nothing else to do, and it's fun. So let's just say gibberish. My language. Okay. If you know how to say that, don't ask me and do not say it in the comment. Next and back. So perfect. Now you know how to put in two buttons. Now you're smart. Not really. What we're going to do here first is we're going to hit Control, click, and drag over to the second view, which is pretty simple. Here, we'll try it again. Control, click, drag. That's it. Now then go down to Present Modelly. That's how it's going to present it. Modelly, it's going to kind of swoop over onto the second page, which is pretty simple. So, we will also do that with the back button. So, Control, click, drag, Present Modelly. That's simple. Now, there you go. That's all. Now, you might be thinking, well, that's pretty dumb looking. It is pretty dumb looking, but For learning capabilities, you don't really need it to be looking that well. I mean, it looks good-ish, I guess. I mean, well, let's just say it looks good from my eyes. So as you can see, these blue lines pretty much show the direction that the button is pushed. So if you go to next, if you click this arrow, that's not just this arrow continuing over. It is pretty much telling the next button to go over to the next page, just like back. The back button is telling it to go to the first page. This line indicates that it is being told to go somewhere. So this next button is being told to go to the next page, and this back button is being told to go to the back page, or the first page. That's what I meant. So there you go. Now you can just customize it, do whatever. Now, like the first one, you can just add a label. Let me pause the video real quick, and I can make it look just like the first one, but with the next and back. So let me go up here, pause. Alrighty, we're back. That was quick. As you can see, it looks similar, but a lot more trashier. That doesn't really matter, because I don't really care about how good it looks at the moment, because I'm teaching you how to do it, not how to do it looking well. I mean, I'm teaching you how to do it correctly, but I'm not teaching you how to, make it look good. Now, that's on your side, and in further videos, I will teach you how to make it look good, just like the first video I made. Now then, as you can see over here, I spelled friends wrong, but, that's how it is when you're typing fast. So, hello, my friends. Welcome to this video. I call it the page setup. Anyway, it's interesting. Now just run it, come up to the top left where there's an arrow pointing right. Build the project. Let's see here. We forgot one thing. Before I enter the simulator down here, pay attention. You will need to know this. iPhone X, okay? I mean, iPhone 8. You see that? iPhone 8. This is very important. Make sure, see how it says view as? You're viewing this in this what do you call it, thingy? You're viewing it in the main storyboard as of iPhone 8. If you come up to here to the top left, where it shows the simulator types, it has to be the exact same, or else it's going to look really weird. So let's make sure both iPhone 8, nope, run it again. iPhone 8 simulator is just like as we see it on the iPhone 8 down here. It might sound complicated, but if you do it, you will understand eventually, if you're smart. I'm guessing you're smart? Yeah. So anyway, forget this one. We'll just hide it right there. There. Perfect. Now let it load. Alrighty, and we're back. Now you see how it just loads it up pretty easy. I mean, my laptop's pretty slow. I need to get a new one. That's okay, I can get one later. We can press next, and it goes to the next page. That's very simple. I mean, how easy do you want me to make it? I can make it easier. Do you want me to do like ABCs here now? I'm kidding. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that this video made sense in a way that you can learn from it. I'm trying to make the videos interesting. Keep watching if you like. Subscribe. Hit the ringer bell to get more push notifications. And I will see you guys later.